Another super easy fall decor DIY using items from Dollar Tree. So I have this sign from Dollar Tree. It is cute by itself, but we're just gonna change it up. We're gonna use it the back side of it, and we're gonna use this calendar also from Dollar Tree. It has a lot of really pretty prints in it, but I'm gonna go with the one for fall because we are doing a fall DIY, and I like the checkered print and just the leaves and everything. I think it'll work really nice together. So the picture doesn't fit the whole sign, but that's okay. We're going to paint that black. I had to give it two coats, and you really just need to paint the top. I did paint around the sides and the bottom, but you don't really have to go that far in because you won't see it. It will be covered by the calendar picture, but it doesn't hurt to paint that part. But like I said, I gave it two coats. I left this string that it was on attached, so you don't have to detach that, especially if you want to hang it, but you can take it off and put it back on. I am just showing you that the calendar picture, it doesn't go up top, but it doesn't, it's too big to go over to at the same time. But anyway, I took this Mod Podge. It's not black and the paint is not wet. The brush still had black paint on it. I didn't clean it in between, but I just gave it a good layer of Mod Podge just to cover everywhere where the picture was going to be going at. If you get some above it, it's okay because it does dry clear, but you just want to give it a good amount of Mod Podge, not too much, but not too little at the same time. And then I'm just lining it up. It's good because there's a little hole in it to hang it, so that helps line it up with the hanging piece there in the middle. Try to smooth out as much of those creases and cracks as possible, and then let that dry. You could cut this to size beforehand, but I just cut it after. It worked out just fine. You could also make this like a double-sided sign if you wanted to, but I'm just going to use just this side. I took a little bit of sandpaper and sanded around the edges. You don't have to do that part, but you could go in and do a little distressing here too if you like this distress look. I do have some nautical rope from Dollar Tree also, and I'm just going to give it kind of a border. You could go all the way around with it. You could do so many different things. Like a lot of times I come up with other ideas, but I wanted to keep it as simple as I could. So I'm just going to take the nautical rope and I'm going to put it in two spots, one right there and then one above where the line lines up. Just having it lap over a little bit so you can put it on the back and just glue that down. You can also staple it. You hot glue it. You will need to hold it in place for a little bit until it does dry. And this rope does fray a bit, so you want to make sure you get a good amount of glue so that you don't have to worry about the fraying pieces coming up at the ends of them. You could also use tape or something there. And then I have this bow from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of two, but before I put the bow, I'm just going to put some faux greenery. This I don't think is from Dollar Tree, but the leaves are from Dollar Tree, but you can also get this at Dollar Tree. Again, a good amount of glue, and I got to hold it in place until it does dry. And then I applied the bow, and that was really it. It is so quick, so simple. The longest part was waiting for the Mod Podge to dry on the picture. If you like, please give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can follow along for more and fun, easy DIYs.